Today I am unboxing this amazing product with so many tiny balloons inside. But let's listen by your own self before I unboxing this amazing product. It's super funny. Oh, I want to explode pots. And it's time to get our product. Are you ready? Please tell me that you're ready. Okay. Okay, let me take it off. Put this thing off. Come on, Biola. Okay. Oh, it's a little bit. Come on. Okay. If you're ready. This is it. This is AT2020 USB Plus cardioid condenser microphone. Woohoo! From Audio Technica. Thank you very much, Audio Technica, to be standing with us and near with us. Okay, and Audio Technica microphone. And also we've got an amazing packet. I want to take care of this one by one. Cool. So, okay, let me rear this one. Or just leave it like that. Okay, I bought this from Start Electronic. And this is Audio Technica's. This is Audio Technica's microphone. I worked so hard to buy this product. What's this? Kopfhörer. Okay, let me read it. Kopfhörerausgang mit Lautstärke und Mixregelung für latenzfreies Monitoring. Cool. AT2020 USB, and this is the rear part. Okay, what we've got? Are there anything useful? Designed and engineered in Japan, made in China. That's interesting. So why didn't they okay, that's interesting. That's enough. Woohoo! Okay, if you're ready, let's unbox our cover. And by the way, this is 20 series USB microphone with 16-bit 44.1 or 48 kHz sampling rate for detailed natural reproduction. Ideal for home studio recording, podcasting, file recording, and voice-over use. Actually, they described to me. Okay, this is cardioid, and I'm opening this box for the first time ever. So, what's the first paper? This is Audio Technica Always Listening. Oh, thank you very much. AT2020 USB I cardioid capacitive USB microphone, and also what it said, made for iPods, iPhone, iPads. Cool. And this is the warranty paper. I bought this from Turkey. The products. Okay, how about these settings? Okay, these are in Turkish. I think you can't read it, but okay, let me see by myself. So you maybe check the suitable documentation in English in the website. So this is cool, very good thing and documentation. Okay, please use suitable waste production paper. Okay, and how about this? This is purchase registration card. Please print and return within 10 days of purchase. Okay, so Audio Technica United States Incorporated, and the address. Place first class postage here, and 1 year limited guarantee. Okay, I will check it out later. And what's this? This is instruction manual. Cardioid condenser USB microphone. Okay, this is what do you want to see actually? And the white one, I want to leave it like this. And the case from Audio Technica. That's it's touchable. It's really soft. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, super cool. It's super cool. I really like this case cover. Okay, let me open it. What we have got? The USB cable. The USB cable, this is USB type B directly to your microphone, or my microphone, let me call it like me. And also this is directly to your your computer or your iPhone, iPad, okay. So what's that thing? Oh, it's really heavy. The mount positioning part to hold the microphone. Oh, okay, maybe I open it with my scissors. Okay, let me open it. Cool. Oh, it's really tough and heavy. Not so heavy, I know, but ooh, it's really cool, and it's rotatable. And this is the mount. Okay, and so you may change the angular, and this is for microphone standing parts. Okay, now it's fix it. Okay, what we've got in this case? Oh, I really like it. Oh my, I really miss unboxing videos, such kind of videos that I want to share with you. And also, this is holiday time. The tripod. Okay, let me open it like this. Woohoo! It seems really cool and tough. It's metallic, boy. It's metallic, so I may put this one. Okay, and okay, now it's attached. So you may put your microphone directly over here, as you can understand. Okay, and by the way, thank you very much for my mother's makeup case. Or no, sorry. I'm just kidding, boy. Please don't take it seriously, okay? Oh, it's really cool. And this is really long USB cable that I see in my life. And the final part, the microphone. Okay, I take it to show you nothing left in the box, as you can see, but it's really cool. And it's really amazing, it seems to me. So, I'm with my baby. Are you ready? I think you're ready. This is pretty cool. Oh, it's really heavy. It's really heavy, as much as this stand. No, actually, this is much more heavier. This is less heavier than this microphone. Okay, please be careful because it's not attached. Oh, yes. This is the time for me to hold this microphone in my hands. Oh yeah, this is microphone or computer monitoring. Okay, you can rotate it and dim by your own self, and loudspeaker. So we have got headphone inside, and this is back side. As you can see, they wrote this back. And this is Audio Technica Sim's front side. Oh, it's really cool, and it's really metallic. As you can see, this is microphone inside. Oh, it's really cool. Okay, this is USB sign. So let's input this cable for the first time, and I will make it. And should I use this to record this video? I think so. So what's that thing? This is silicon gel. Please never eat and throw it away. Okay, so mount this microphone. Okay, mount this microphone directly. Okay, to there. Okay, and okay, I have to rotate my microphone like this. Okay, and will it stand? I think so. Okay, now it's stopped. But oh no, the back side is attached over here, so I have to talk. Oh, so be careful that you tight this one. Oh, it's not so good. Oh, so we have to choose the beginning point. Actually, okay, this is my microphone. We have to choose actually the correct place to hold this microphone. Okay, okay, I will make it much more standable to record once again. Okay. Alright, I made it, so you can change the direction over here to put it like this, and I think the standing position should be a little bit angularly goes down to talk really precious, and it really seems really precious to me actually. Okay, this position is understandable, I think, much more easier because it's not so symmetric, but okay, I think you can move it. Yeah, I could move it, so you can. Okay, so let's attach directly to this. Okay, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 5 mobile phone to test this microphone because this is USB cable, and this microphone can be used by this USB cable. Okay, so I opened this cable pin. Okay, so it's very, very long. Okay, so this is USB type B. I attaching to this microphone's plug. Okay, then I'm using micro USB cable. This is Otg cable actually. You can find this is female part, and this part is called male part, and I use it. So I will put this pin, as you can see, I will put this pin directly into this Samsung Galaxy Note 5's USB input. Seems like a charging, you know. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think you can hear me. If you can't, let me volume up. Okay, loudspeaker is volume up, but no need for that. Okay, microphone is volume up, but I need to check whether my talking directly comes to you or not. So I'm directly talking to that microphone. So we've got a LED inside. It seems like blue. Okay, and it's really cool. Oh, okay, let me check it out. Okay, now I want to talk a little bit with this microphone to check it out. Okay, maybe I can rotate the screen or not. Okay, so let me talk about something so special for you. But baby, oh come on, don't say me like this. Take me yourself away to the heaven where you belong. But please tell me that you can happy enough, that you can happy enough, that you can happy enough. Alright, now I put my microphone on my workplace. This is my desktop, actually notepad side. Okay, and attach the USB-B type cable into it. Okay, now it's ready to work, and this is the original itself cable, and I first time plug into my Windows computer. Once again, just hold me, let me feel your breath. Softly kiss me on my face, love is all I need. Lonely moments, years, nothing before you. Finally, you're here, our love is true. Hold me once again, my dear, let your passion take me. In my heart there's harmony when you're close to me. Even in my dreams, I really need to feel you. Forever we'll be one, our love is true. This song is represented by Ivan Nikolic for the Eurovision Song Contest. The song name was You Are the Only One. I'm beautiful in my way, cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself and regret, just love yourself and you're set. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. This song is belong to Lady Gaga. The song name is Born This Way. So this is the microphone that you are listening. Actually, it's living. Okay, there was 10 centimeters away me from this microphone. I'm beautiful in my way, cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hide yourself and regret, just love yourself and you're set. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way.